Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint against Zomato. First, access the Zomato application on your mobile device to begin the process. Most issues can be resolved quickly through their integrated support system, designed for user convenience and efficiency. Navigate to your Orders section and select the specific order where you encountered a problem. This immediate in-app action is often the fastest route to addressing your concern, allowing their team to review your situation promptly. Once you have selected the relevant order, look for the help or support option available right there. Zomato provides a list of common issues, such as missing items, delayed delivery, or incorrect orders from which you can choose. Clearly describe your problem in the provided text box, including any important specifics. Their team typically responds to these in-app queries within a few hours, aiming for a quick and satisfactory resolution. Should the in-app support not fully resolve your issue, you have other options for direct contact. You can send an email to their customer service team, detailing your complaint with your order identification number in the subject line. Alternatively, you might find a customer care phone number on their official website for immediate, verbal communication. This method is often preferred for more complex or time-sensitive problems requiring human interaction. When filing a complaint, detailed information is your best friend. Always include your full order identification number, which helps Zomato quickly locate your transaction. If possible, attach screenshots of the order summary, any erroneous charges, or chat conversations with delivery partners. Providing the precise date and time of the incident also streamlines the investigation process. The more evidence you present, the stronger your case for a swift and fair resolution becomes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.